sound of letter O is O. Now we have the letter H. H sounds. Again. This one is letter L. Letter L sounds. Again. And the long sound of letter O is O. So what letter are we writing in the space? O. Write a letter O. Very good, I like that. Say O. O. Hold. In the last one we have letter P. P sounds. Letter P sounds. Good. And this is L again. L sounds. What's the long sound of letter O? O. The long sound of letter O is O. So, what are we writing here?